Okay, this is C major cadence. Your hands are in what we call C position, the bottom note of the 5 being on the C, the top note of being in the G. So first I'll look at the right hand, and we'll go 1, 3, 5 of the C chord is the first chord. On the second chord is an F chord in second inversion, which is C, F, A. So this stays here. These two fingers stretch up like this. So it becomes from here to here, and then it returns to there. For the penultimate chord, the pinky remains the same, and the thumb goes down, and the E goes to the F, but with this finger. So it's going to go to these fingers, thumb, F, G. That's third, seventh, and tonic of the G7 chord in first inversion, omitting the fifth. Okay? So the whole thing together would be C major, F major, C major, G7, and it ends on C major. You need to use that fingering too. For the left hand, we're going to start with pinky, middle, thumb, as we always do on triads. And so we're going to go 1, 3, 5. Now, the top two notes of the chord move up while the pinky remains the same. But we're going to use our second finger. We don't want to move our third finger over like this. You'll be tempted to do it. It happens all the time. Not the end of the world, but use this finger. It's a strong finger, and that way we can do boogie woogie. A lot easier than toggling our third finger back and forth. So 1 chord, 4 chord, F in the key of C with the F in the middle, second inversion, back to the C, and then the second finger again is going to play on the F, and the pinky is going to come down to the B. So these come out to like this, so it's going to be from here to here. So the whole thing is and with hands together, which it needs to be, like this. 2. Now a good way to practice these is count 4 on each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. While you're counting and holding, think of where you're going to be going. Then you count 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you know what's coming next. Ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. And then the last one is in quarter notes as it's written.